Hello, this is Mary with Mango Math, and this is a Money Matters lesson out of our Money Matters math kit called Profit or Loss. And this is a game in which they are going to be using a little bit of their odds to see if they can save money or if they're going to lose money. They'll be adding and subtracting dollar amounts. They will need dice and play money, which will be provided for them in the pouch, and there'll be this information sheet with the information on the front for the adult, and then the directions on the back. This game is going to have students rolling dice, and the results of that dice are going to determine different things. So the kids will all take turns rolling the dice, and they're going to have two dice, and one's going to represent the tens place and one's going to represent the ones place. So when they roll this is going to be 61. So their goal is to get to the amount of $500. All right, that's what they're trying to collect as they play the game. So in the first round, this one student selects the dice and rolls the dice. I'm going to have him rolling a 64. So he's going to collect $64 out of the pile. So I'm going to duplicate this one so I'm not. So he's going to have $64. So he needs, there's 60. And then the ones. So you got $64. So that person's going to put that money in their pile in front of them. Now they have a choice. They can keep rolling, or they can stop there and hold that money, and that's their money towards that $500. If they choose to roll again, and that, let's say they roll a 3 and a 1 in their next round of rolling. Because they rolled a 1, they are going to lose all this money, and they have to put it back in to the bank. So they have no money now, and the play goes on to the next person. So the next person gets the same thing. They can roll the dice, and whatever it comes up to, they'll collect that amount. So let's say it was 52. They're going to collect $52. And they're going to hold on to that. Now, if they decide to stop on that and say, I'm going to stop here at $52, I'm not going to take a chance, I'm going to save my money. And they're going to put that in front of them and save it. And then it's the next person's round, and so on. So they're going to keep playing that way. If you roll one dice with a 1 on it, then you lose all your money for that round. So this guy has now saved their money. So let's say they play this game, or it comes back to them and they play again, and they roll, say they roll a 32. They're going to collect their $32. They're going to add that to their pile here. And they've got $32. So now they're adding that $32 onto the amount that they already had collected, and keeping track of the whole time to make sure that they get to 500. But let's say the next time they roll, I'm going to scoot this one aside, and I'm going to duplicate this dice. The next time they roll a 1 and a 1. They rolled 2 ones. That means they're going to lose all of their money, and they have to put all of this money back into the bank. So if they had rolled just the 1, let me go back here a second. If they had just rolled 1 dice and the 3 and the 1, and they rolled the 1, they would only lose what they lost that round. But if they roll 2 of the same, they're going to lose everything that they have collected to date. So that's the trick on it. If you roll 2 ones, you lose everything that you have. If you roll 1 1, you only lose what you have gained in that round. So we're trying to get the kids to 500. So it gets kids understanding the risks and being able to see how they get to $500. So enjoy.